Vivid Money is a European digital banking platform that provides multi-currency accounts, including USD, with personal IBANs, virtual and physical cards, and business-friendly features. The setup process starts with downloading the Vivid Money app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and creating an account using a valid email address and phone number. Identity verification is mandatory, so a government-issued passport or national ID is required, along with a live selfie. Approval is usually fast, but accuracy during verification is critical to avoid delays or rejection. Once the account is approved, the main dashboard shows your primary Euro account by default. To activate a dollar account, navigate to the Pockets or Currencies section and add a USD pocket. This instantly creates a dollar balance that can receive and hold funds in USD. Currency exchange inside Vivid is done at real market rates with minimal fees, making it efficient for international payments and conversions. Card setup is automatic after account approval. A virtual card is available immediately and can be used for online payments in dollars. A physical card can be ordered directly from the app and linked to your USD pocket for direct spending. Card controls allow you to freeze the card, set spending limits, and manage online or ATM usage. For funding, Vivid supports bank transfers, card top-ups, and incoming international payments depending on your region. Always fund through supported methods to avoid compliance issues. Withdrawals and spending in dollars are seamless when the USD pocket is selected as the default spending account. Security features include biometric login, instant transaction notifications, and in-app card protection. Used correctly, Vivid Money provides a reliable dollar account solution for international payments, subscriptions, and cross-border business activity without unnecessary complexity.